You're all familiar with this iconic building behind me. For the first time in its history, Burj Al Arab is launching tours inside this iconic hotel for non-guests. That means you don't have to book an overnight stay. You can just book a tour and go inside. So let's take a tour inside.
We will be stopping shortly and have a camera set up for the perfect shot.
Welcome to the Royal Suite, the jewel in the crown of Burj Al Arab. Please come in, I've been expecting you. Hello and welcome, my name is Nuruddin and I will be your personal butler throughout this journey. That means that anything you may want or need during your stay would be my pleasure to make it happen. But let me ask you, how spectacular is this entrance hall? I personally like the golden marble staircase, the 24-karat gold-plated ceiling and walls, and even your own private elevator. We are now heading to the living room. Get ready for a burst of colors. Juan drew inspiration from the four elements: fire, water, earth, and air. That's why here on top of the hotel, you may see more yellows and red. Right this way. And if your favorite color is pink, this room is definitely for you. Welcome to the Majlis, a traditional Arabic meeting space where I sit down and have coffee with your friends and family. Now, you've asked me before how many celebrities have enjoyed sitting here. Nelson Mandela, Gigi Hadid, Lewis Hamilton, and many, many, many more. For example, Selena Gomez. Speaking of details, you see this beautiful marble? It looks like one piece, doesn't it? But it actually took 6 months to figure out how to cut and assemble this rare Italian marble to make it seem like one seamless piece. If you'd like to take a shower, you can always take it while surrounding yourself with 24-karat gold. As I said, here we found some of the most unique designs. Take a look at the handmade golden thread on the walls. It was archived from one of the biggest fabric houses in all of Europe. You have the TV set to the ceiling, and whenever if you're ever bored of what's on the TV, you can always take the bed for a spin at the touch of a button.